Speaking of cheap stuff, I also ordered some screws just as a test, 10 of each, because these come with a really stupid Torx head that I don't know if they are very reliable for at least single use. Does it go right in, or just the head will fail before I even manage to drive it in? So it's in a cardboard box, a piece of a box, and shrink wrapped. So let's see, how do you open this? So there should be 10 screws inside, 10 small screws, and yeah, I wouldn't bother shipping these, but the company insists that they can do it. So all this wrapping, how much did it cost? 2 cents per screw. So 10 of them is 20 cents. And a lot of packaging is included. I didn't know that. I thought they would ship it in a small bag or something. So yeah, like that. And it's in a bag also, after all this wrapping. Okay. So let's just see. I don't think there are 10. What? Maybe. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. But this is weird. I never seen screws like this. That's why I wanted to try them. Oh boy, it doesn't want to focus. Yeah. So as you can see, there's the standard. Oh, it's pointy, and it has a dent, or what do you call it? A ridge, channel. Yeah, you have a channel in here for, I don't know, penetrating something. And then there's a different thread here that will so if you're joining two pieces of wood together and you're turning it this way, then this part will pull inside, and this little small thread will push the other piece of wood in the other direction, towards the head. That's interesting. And yeah, that's an interesting idea. Or what will it do? Huh. I mean, yeah, I'll have to see. So this is an interesting screw type, and the head is Torx. Yeah. Can I focus? Can I focus? Yeah, now you can see, probably. So this is kind of nice. It remains to be seen how useful they are. Let's see some bits. Which one will fit? The smallest one. That's unfortunate. Yeah, the smallest one fits, but kind of moves around a bit. But I can use this or the other one. This is also the smallest. Yeah, this fits better. Okay, so this one, which is CRV T10 Torx 10. I don't know. I have no idea. But yeah, this will fit. 10 screws. Okay, this package is okay. And I bought 10 more of the so this is the shorter one. I bought some slightly longer screws, also packaged the same way. Yeah, so let's open them right here, like that. Reach inside, and it's not there. Okay, the other way around. What? They forgot to put them in. What? Or this is not the package. What am I doing? Am I being really silly? Oh boy. Yeah, that was lame. So where's the cutter? This seems open. No, that's whatever. Whatever excuse I want to make up here. So yeah, here's the... Why didn't they just ship it in this? In a small baggie and... That's it. Nothing inside. Okay. Let's see. So these are longer and thicker. Oh, okay. Yeah, half a centimeter longer. And the same weird thread. And bigger... what do they need here? The bigger Torx screwdriver. Yeah, this fits. Which is T15 CRV T15. Okay, so this works. Well, actually this has a security hole pin thingy. So this is for more secure screws, but this one doesn't have that in the middle. So yeah. Anyway, it will work. Hopefully. I'll try them out and then make some more comments, probably in the description. If one of them breaks or something,